The discipline it takes to groom yourself before you leave the door is a valuable skill. You can use it to give yourself confidence, structure, and routine. Now most people know the basics of a good routine. Wake up, don't go back to bed, do your hair, put on some deodorant. But even if you have the basics down, you can always make improvements. That being said, here are 9 grooming hacks that not all men know. Number 1, you're showering wrong. If you're just jumping out of the shower and do a quick once over with a towel, pretty much wasted your shower. This is because bacteria actually grows in warm, moist areas. Problem is, it's summer. If you're not toweling off properly, you are creating environments for bacteria to grow. And then as your day goes on, most people tend to sweat. And then when the sweat is mixed with the bacteria, you smell. Number 2, if you have dry, cracked heels or even some calluses on your hand, try using the Bearded Chap beard balm. Just use a pinky nail's worth and rub it into the dry, cracked skin, and then the natural oils and butters will lock moisture into your skin, softening down the dry and cracked areas, helping your skin heal. Now my hands just smell really good. Number 3, the secret to maintaining a fresh haircut is finding a good barber and locking in appointments for every 3 to 4 weeks. Any barber that is worth their salt will then be able to learn your hair, how it grows, and how you like it cut. A great barber can then recommend styles, products, and tips to keep your hair looking fresh 24/7. Number 4, exfoliate. Jump in the shower, grab a fistful of coffee scrub, rub it all over your body, and wait 2 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly. Do this at least once a week, and the Bearded Chap coffee scrub will remove any dead skin cells, leaving behind a fresh and healthy layer of skin, keeping it feeling soft and looking healthy. Number 5, that little piece of parsley on top of your pasta is not just a garnish. You should actually put it to the side and eat it last. This is because the parsley actually neutralizes the garlic breath, so you can have your delicious bowl of pasta without worrying about the garlic breath. Number 6, the best time to trim your nails is after a shower. This is because your nails absorb water and soften, making it easier for your scissors to cut through, giving you much more control. Number 7, did you know that hot showers can dry out and damage your skin? Instead, you should opt for cold showers. This can increase blood flow, aid in muscle recovery, and improve your immune system. That's if you can handle it, that is. That's right. I challenged you. Number 8, men should pluck their eyebrows. It's simple, just grab your tweezers and get rid of the hairs that are on your nose, and then get rid of the strays. Just make sure to leave the bulk. You just need to keep them neat and tidy. And if you still don't want to do that, just ask your barber. Number 9, you can prevent yellow and crusty stains by using a natural deodorant. You see, most deodorants you find in the supermarket actually contain aluminium. Over time, this aluminium can mix with your sweat and dry out in your shirt. This is what creates those gross pit stains. By using a natural and aluminium-free deodorant, you can still smell incredible and keep your favorite shirt looking great. This has been What the Fact. My name's Ryan. I'm the videographer and content creator here at the Bearded Chap. If you like this video, found it interesting, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, hit us up below. Have a good day.